Hello guys, welcome back to Priyanka's tutoring classes. So today we are going to continue with module 2 vector calculus, that is for second sem students, and today the question what we have is find the angle between the normal to the surface xy is equals to z square at the point 4, 1, 2 and 3, 3 minus 3. So before also I have solved one video in which we had to find the angle between the normal to the surface, in which we had two equations. Okay, so first we'll write down the equation xy is equals to z square. Whenever you have equation, you have to make the front part as 0. So xy minus z square is equals to 0. So let phi is equals to this equation. So now we are going to find del phi. The del phi formula is dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou zk. Now let's differentiate. First we have to differentiate with respect to x, then y, then z. So now we will differentiate this with respect to x. X we have in the first term. So after now here y is constant and your x becomes 1 after differentiation, minus here we don't have any x term, hence it is 0 I plus, now here in the first term we have y, so x becomes constant, y is 1 after differentiation, minus here we don't have any y term, so it is 0 j plus, now here first term we don't have any z, so it's 0 minus, here it becomes 2z after differentiation k. So let's simplify this further. We get yi plus xj plus minus 2zk. So now what is this? This is your del phi. Now what you have to do is you're going to substitute this points as well as this points in the same equation. So let's do that. So after finding del phi, you have 2 points. The 2 points you have to substitute in this del phi. So let's substitute the first one. Del phi is equals to y is 1i plus x is 4j minus 2k. So it is going to be 1i plus 4j minus 4k. So you have to assume it has a vector. Okay, same, let's do it with the other points. 3i plus 3j minus 2 minus 3k. So it is going to be 3i plus 3j minus 6k is equals to, assume it has b vector. Okay, so you got your a vector, you got your b vector. What you have done, you got the del phi by solving the equation, then you have substituted both the points and you have assumed it as a vector, b vector. The cos theta formula is a vector dot b vector divided by magnitude of a vector and magnitude of b vector. So let's substitute these values and solve it further. So I have written down the cos theta formula, I have substituted the values. Now what you are going to do, you are going to have dot product of this both. So in dot product, you are just going to multiply I terms with I terms, that is 1 into 3 plus 4 into 3 plus minus 4 into 6. Okay, and how you are going to find the magnitude? 1 square root under root of 1 square 4 square plus minus 4 square, and here 3 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. You can easily solve this in your calculator. 3 plus 12 minus 24 divided by root of 33 3 root of 6. So this is what you get after using the calculator. Then it is minus 9 divided by root of 33 and 3 root 6. You can write it as 3 ones are, 3 threes are. Then you get minus 3 divided by root of 33 root of 6. If you multiply this both in the calculator, then you get minus 3 divided by 3 root of 22. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. You are left with minus 1 divided by root of 22. This is your cos theta. Okay. So I'll just erase this. Cos theta is equals to this. Now you want to only find theta. Angle is only theta. Angle is not cos theta. Angle is only theta. Okay. So theta is equals to cos inverse of 1 minus 1 by root of 22. What is your answer? Theta is equals to cos inverse of minus 1 by root of 22. So this is your answer. This is how we found the angle between the normal to the surface. So if you have any doubt, you can put them into the comment section. I hope each and every part is clear. If you have any doubts regarding any topics in vector calculus, you can watch my playlist. You will find all the solutions there. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and share it to all your friends. Thank you.